Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. And I'm sure as y'all can hear, there's a couple of hungry mama cows and some calves. So I gotta take a roll of hay over here, and gotta get a bag of this mineral, and also put over in their feeder. But so far everybody survived the recent winter weather. Of course, y'all seen the last video. We had about 4 inches or so here at the farm. That wet, heavy snow. There's also another band that's possibly moving in tomorrow. They're not sure what it's going to do, but of course, with the ground temperature now cooler than it was the other day, this snow could cause a mess. But we're all prepared here at the farm. Of course, we're going to keep plenty of hay stuff out for everybody. Then keep the waters checked and free of snow and ice. Of course, the calves, they got plenty of feed in their creep feeder. But other than that, I got a couple of these cows give me the stink eye, so I'll catch back up with y'all here in just a few. I don't know about you all, but I'd rather have farm muscles than gym muscles every day, because that really put the muscle on you, carrying bags of mineral, concrete, feed, unrolling hay. So them city boys just ain't got it. I hate to tell you, but farm muscles is where it's at. Instead of having the tractor parked in the road like I normally do, just walk down here and open this gate, and heck, you can walk them beside the road. The truck come on by me, didn't even bother to move over the least bit. So I don't know what it's going to take to get these cars to slow down, but I'll get them stopped sooner or later. Well, since I'm a one-man show tonight, and the cows are, y'all can tell, they're kind of like me. They like to eat on a set schedule. So, yeah, I ain't got no choice to keep them from possibly running out in the road, which I don't think they will. But anything's better than chasing cows down the road. Alright, mamas, I'm back. Can't have y'all running out in the road. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girls. Good girls. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girls. Jump, mamas. Don't be eating it before I get it unrolled, you crazy cows. Hey, be doing that. I believe I was right. What's really fun is get over on this hill, go push one down, sit there and watch it. End up should turn it the other way. That's always fun. That to go down with the tractor, get it, bring it back up the hill, try it again. But I believe I got it. Hey Joey, what you doing, buddy? Just unrolling this hay. You work at your arms, your back, pretty much everything. But luckily over here I don't slip and fall. I'm pushing downhill, so it's not as bad. It's the fun part is feeding over on that hillside and then start pushing it back up towards where I'm at now. And you talking about a workout, let me tell you, that's better than any gym workout you could ever get. Looks like everybody's here. Of course, what I got counted, and a couple of the calves up there at the barn. Whew. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little out of breath at the moment. Unrolling that hay, plus walking in the mud, trying not to slip and fall. It's plus me being a big guy that I am, it's hard enough walking, let alone doing physical activity. This is the calf, tag number 1. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but his left eye had a, the other day wasn't sure if it was pink eye or what it could have been, so out of precaution, in case it's something other than pink eye, I went ahead and called the vet. The vet come out and looked at it, looked around in his eye and determined it wasn't pink eye, but is you know, kind of like how we get something in our eye and it gets it irritated and red and all that, is pretty much the calf had done the same thing. So he put some ointment on it and sewed actually, if y'all didn't know, where the cows have multiple eyelids, the vet actually sewed up one of the eyelids to keep any further damage caused to the eye. So hopefully it should be healed up here in a couple days. Come on, Gracie just pulled in, but man, I wish I'd have had my camera on, but I decided not to. It's hard enough walking in the mud, let alone trying to carry a camera and a 50-pound sack of mineral. But I probably about lost it about twice, but somehow I stood it. I didn't fall, so thank goodness, because you get a good sized old boy like me falling this mud right here, probably have to call a small wrecker to get me out. But well, I've got AAA. Do you think if I call AAA, you think they come pull me out? I don't know. I may try it sometime, and I'll let you know what I find out. Watch out for these crazy people driving up and down this road, though. Run you over and then fuss at you for being in their way. Well, I believe I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Of course, got everybody fed, took care of. Got the mineral out. Didn't catch it on the camera, but checked the water tank. Everything's doing good there. And now it's time for me to eat. But I know here the last couple days there's been, I'm trying to remember how many actual people subscribe, but now the channel's up to 522 subscribers. In a recent video, actually the one I just posted yesterday, well, from a couple days ago, was like up over 400 views. So apparently y'all are liking something that I'm doing, or at least you're acting like it, which is fine with me. But I'm glad that y'all do find some enjoyment in watching our farm, or watching the farm channel. We are a small farm, and I know we don't necessarily have a whole lot going on. Just depends on the time of year, but I try to take my camera along and gather what I can to, of course, show you all what a typical life is like on a small cattle farm. But as always, thanks for tuning in. Depending on where y'all are at, be safe with the winter weather fixing to move east here tomorrow. Of course, be safe with that, traveling back and forth. And again, I can't thank y'all enough for supporting the channel like y'all have so far. Of course, it's just I've farmed all my life, but first year of trying to catch it on camera, and I know I've still got a lot to learn. But thanks for tuning in, and as y'all know, I'll catch y'all next time.